Okay, probably bad time to be recording this, but probably very important if you want to say. This morning was very, I guess you could say, tragic. I think a dog died. Oh no. Wait. But basically what happened was that it was very very could say exciting. I did another video like a second ago, but about the same thing, but it was too blurry because YouTube cameras suck. By the way, that's a mailbox. That's another mailbox. A car hit like around where that tree is. Like, it hit the tree basically. And that's that's a school bus, don't worry about it. Okay, so what? Oh my god. Like, sorry for, like, over there is like where I stay. And that's where that's where the car hit. And there was like a dog, and the driver was trying to swerve out of the way of the dog, trying to avoid the dog. But he was trying to avoid the dog, but it ended up almost killing me. So that's right there. That's where I stand for the bus stop. That's where the car hit. It's very close. But anyways, that's basically what I wanted to cover for this video. Well, back to my house and chillax. By the way, this is in the morning, if I didn't actually already mention that, but I'm 90% sure I did. But for that 10% I think I didn't, then that's for it. Anyways, this YouTube channel is going to be more about gaming and not vlogs now. Okay, see you guys in probably like another day because I got hit by a car or something. Bye.